Welcome to Whole and Healthy Cooking with Chef Val. Hi, I'm Chef Valerie Wilson. I've been teaching healthy, whole foods cooking classes since 1997, and I'm the author of 5 cookbooks. I teach cooking classes on a regular basis, and you can find out about all I have to offer on my website, macroval.com. Today, I wanted to teach about the 5 transformations of energy. This is a chart showing the 5 transformations. So this is the study and the philosophy of nature, the foods that are available at certain times in nature, and the organs that they feed and nurture. Now, all of our ancient ancestors knew this information inherently because they lived really close to nature. But nowadays, we have to relearn this information. And so a lot of my recipes and my cooking classes are based in the 5 transformations of energy. So there are 5 different seasons. I know we think 4, but our ancestors gave us 5. There's spring, summer, late summer, fall, and winter. So let's start with spring. Spring is when everything starts to come back to life. Things are green and things are growing. And so springtime we call tree energy. We feed and nurture our liver and our gallbladder at this time of year. And the signature flavor is sour. So anytime you eat something that's sour, you're feeding and nurturing your liver and your gallbladder. The signature whole grains for springtime are barley, wheat, and rye. Summer, my favorite season. So summer is a high energy, warm time of year, and so it is called fire energy. In summertime, the whole grains that are associated with summer are your quick cooking grains. This would be quinoa and corn. The signature flavor for summer is bitter, and anything that's bitter feeds and nurtures your brain and your heart. Moving on, we have late summer. So late summer, it's the time between hot summer and cool fall. It's like an Indian summer. So we call this time of year earth energy. The signature whole grain associated with late summer is millet, and the signature flavor is sweet. So millet is a creamy, slightly sweet whole grain. And we feed and nurture our spleen, pancreas, and stomach at this time of year. And then we have fall. So fall, the signature whole grain is brown rice. Brown rice is one of the most important foods that you can eat. And if you haven't got a chance to check out my video all about brown rice, make sure you check that out. I give you all the nutritional information about brown rice. So fall. The signature flavor for fall is pungent. So we got raw onions, raw garlic, ginger. And the organs that we feed and nurture in the fall time are your lungs and your large intestines. And last but not least, we have winter. So winter, when it's cold outside, we need to eat the whole grain that is the most warming, and that would be kasha. Kasha is the whole grain, and then if you grind it up and you create flour, it's buckwheat flour. It's the same whole grain. Kasha is the most warming whole grain there is. In wintertime, we feed and nurture our kidneys and our reproductive organs. And the signature flavor for wintertime is salty. This is also where your sea vegetables are in the wintertime, because wintertime is referred to as water energy. So those are the 5 transformations of energy to get you started eating these healthy whole grains and incorporating all 5 flavors into your diet. Thank you so much for watching the video. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that small step together.